Good, wonderful morning, everybody. Sun's up. Just came up in the last 5-10 minutes. It was light when we left, and it is cold. The temperature gauge at home says 5 degrees, so there'll be a lot colder down here because we're right next to the creek and the pond, and she wants to chase after the birdies. We got to meet a GSD that's down over there. So 2 years old, still a puppy, all excited, still looking around saying, what's that, what's that, what's that? Is that that new friend that's over there? Can I chase that? Can I sniff that? Can I pee on that? Very curious young boy. She liked him, and he keeps on watching her, so he obviously likes her. Wants to play with her, but she can't play with a 2-year-old GSD. Not with her leggies. She tried to, but she fell over. Just doesn't have the strength in her back legs to jump around. Good sniff. On the way down, she was snorting and carrying on. She was really on the trail of something interesting. I suspect it was a hare that had been around this morning. So just very, very recent scents. And she was all excited. She snorts to clear her nostrils so she can sniff better. We're going to continue our walk. See what else we can, what other mischief we can get into. Pretty parrot having breakfast. Enjoying his lovely grevillea. And off he goes. Disturbed. After that grevillea. Where does she want to go? Left or right? Right. Actually, we'll go this way because that's that GSD again. Although it's fine, it's just less hassle. Oh, good sniff there. Doggy sniffs. Hey. Hey, little birdie. Bye. We'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Catch you later.